Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change cover photo on LinkedIn. So let's start. First, open the LinkedIn app. When the app opens, tap on your profile picture on top left corner and then tap on View Profile. Now when you are on your profile, you will see a pencil icon on top right corner. Tap on that and then tap on Add Photo at the bottom of the screen. And now select Upload from Gallery. Now select a picture from your gallery. Here first you have to reposition your picture. Then you can also crop the image if you want to. You can also straighten the picture. Zoom in and out. You can add filters if you want to. And also adjust brightness, contrast, saturation and vignette. And when you are done, tap Done on top right corner. And it will take a few moments. And your cover photo is now changed. And that's how you can change your cover photo in LinkedIn. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.